I spent about a week researching different ways I could improve my cable management. Most of that time was looking at hundreds of reviews for USB hubs. I was willing to spend a lot, however cheap or expensive. It seems that almost all hubs have mixed reviews. I have seen Plugable in stores and online before. They didn't look super cheap, but were also not super expensive. I have my hub plugged into my LG ultra-wide monitor. My keyboard, mouse, Xbox controller, and Elgato Stream Deck are plugged into this hub. I have had zero issues with dropouts or anything else really. My main goal was to get a bunch of my peripherals plugged into this. From what I have read, data transfer, audio amps and DACs, and things of that sort are best plugged into the PC itself. If you are just trying to hook up keyboard, mice, webcam, gamepads, etc., I think this handles the job perfectly. I like it so far. I am using to provide additional ports for additional drives on my Mac Mini. I like the form factor. Small lights make it great in a darkened room. I ordered a new cord the day after receiving this. It's a little bit short of my use case. I think most users would have no issue with it. However, I ran mine through a wall drop to hide the wiring, and this defiantly added some reduction in available length to use. As to speed, it seems to have no issues, copying files and so forth. Currently I am running 2 Time Machine drives and 2 Clones drives with no issue, in addition to a cache drive and several other smaller drives. I love that it provides enough power for my non-powered drives. I chose the Plugable brand because the wife already has a pluggable docking station and it works well beyond my expectations. Click link in description for more reviews.